Well, hi there, everybody, and good Wednesday morning to you. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here. As we've had a cold front come through this morning, or overnight last night, so that is bringing some changes to our weather out there. First off, the winds, which are a little bit blustery this morning, and will remain blustery much of the day today out of the north and northwest. We'll be looking at a fairly chilly day, but pretty typical for this time of the year, actually, with highs in the 30s and 40s. Coolest northeast, warmest to the southwest. Some skies cover this morning, some cloud cover out there will eventually give way to a lot of sunshine later on today, so we'll see decreasing clouds here as we go through your day. Tonight, well, we'll see a few increasing clouds. Now, we actually do get a weak cold front. I don't have it marked on this map here, but it's actually kind of a backdoor cool front that comes through. That brings another shot of colder air and a little bit of a wind during the middle part of the night, especially between about 10 and 2 o'clock. That's when the winds will be a little bit breezy out there. And so it will be a fairly cold start to our day on your Thursday, as temperatures will fall back into the single digits and teens. The coldest conditions closer to that area of high pressure up there between Sioux City, Iowa and Sioux Falls, South Dakota. And it will be a chillier day for most of us tomorrow. The wind's kind of kicking back up again. A few more clouds out there tomorrow as well, partly to mostly cloudy skies. But warm front off to our west, that's going to bring us one last shot of some warmer air for Friday. And I say one last shot because we aren't going to see mild air coming back into play anytime soon the way it looks right now after Friday. Now, temps for today, we're looking at mid to upper 30s and lower 40s. As I mentioned, these are pretty close to average for this time of the year, just a big drop off, especially out west compared to what we have been seeing recently. Mid to upper 40s out towards the west, mostly sunny skies, clearing skies in the south with temperatures in the upper 30s and low to mid 40s, and to the east a little bit cooler here with mid to upper 30s and lower 40s and those decreasing clouds. Now to your extended forecasting, and a little chillier for tomorrow, highs in the low to mid 30s, so a little bit below average. And again, there's that last mild day on Friday with 51 degrees. Now, Valentine's Day, our high is probably going to come very early in the day, possibly even before sunrise here, as temps will fall off into the 20s and maybe even teens by the end of the day. Now, as we get into Sunday, a cold start. And now the big change from yesterday's forecast to today's forecast when talking about Sunday is it does look like it will be cooler. Yesterday I had mid-40s. Today I'm going lower 30s. It doesn't look like we're going to warm up near as much for Sunday into Monday. And also we're going to be watching some moisture working its way in as we get towards Monday. In fact, the chance of snow now looking pretty decent on Monday, lingering into Monday night. And this does featured the chance of some accumulating snowfall. We'll have to watch for this. Now, this is 5 days out yet, so there's still a lot to be worked out with this forecast, but again, forecast models are kind of trending towards that decent chance of some snowfall. Now, one thing I want to go back and mention over the weekend, I didn't put it in the official forecast here, but Saturday night there is a very small chance we may see a little bit of light snow, but it's just not a good enough chance for me to throw it into the forecast as of yet. The much better chance does look Monday and maybe even into Monday night, and that's followed by what could be the start of some much colder air that settles in much of next week. In fact, 19 may be kind of optimistic. I wouldn't be surprised if our highs end up being even colder than that as we get into next Tuesday here. So, yeah, get ready for it because winter is going to try to return in a big way. Not too many mild days left out there over the next 7+ days the way it's looking right now. Well, I am off tomorrow. Sean will be filling in for me, so I will be back on Friday. So until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Hope you have a great day.